Encountering setup problems with your Apple Watch Series 10 on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. A common issue is the pairing loop error, where the watch repeatedly fails to connect. First, ensure both devices are running the latest software, iOS 18.1 or later on your iPhone, and watchOS 11.2 or later on your Apple Watch. Restart both devices. If issues persist, reset your iPhone's network settings through Settings General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset. Reset network settings. Also, verify that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are stable, and that you're using the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to initiate the pairing. Outdated firmware, Bluetooth Wi-Fi conflicts, and server overloads are common culprits behind these pairing failures. If the case, titanium or aluminum, is misaligned, try adjusting the position during pairing. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple ID. If you encounter an activation server unavailable error, it indicates network issues or Apple server overload, so try again later. Keep an eye out for future software updates. Apple is integrating AI-driven diagnostics in watchOS 11.2, expected in Q1 2026, to auto-fix pairing issues. The use of 5G and ultra-wideband in iPhone 17 models is improving pairing reliability. For persistent issues, contact Apple support. High-profile cases, like that of Marques Brownlee, have highlighted the importance of user education, leading to updated support pages with video guides. Remember to update all devices, and if all else fails, contacting support is the best bet.